Guidelines on good pharmacovigilance practices. Module 1. Pharmacovigilance systems and their quality systems. This module contains guidance for the establishment and maintenance of the quality assured pharmacovigilance system for marketing authorization holders, competent authorities of members of states and the agencies. The definition of pharmacovigilance system is provided in Article 1st of Directive 2001/83 European Commission as a system used by the marketing authorization holder or by the member of states to fulfill the tasks and responsibilities listed in Title 9 and designed to monitor the safety of authorized medicinal products. While there has to be compliance with these legal requirements, the implementation of quality system should be adopted to respective organization. Structure and process of pharmacovigilance system. A pharmacovigilance system is defined as a system used by an organization to fulfill its legal tasks and responsibilities in relation to pharmacovigilance and designed to monitor the safety of authorized medicinal products and effect any change to their risk-benefit balance. A pharmacovigilance system, like any system, is characterized by its structure, process, and outcomes. For each specific pharmacovigilance process, including its necessary structure and dedication module including GVP. Second is quality objective, quality requirement, and quality system. For the purpose of GVP, which provides guidelines on structure and process of pharmacovigilance system, the quality of pharmacovigilance system can be defined as all the characteristics of the system which are considered to product according to estimated likelihoods outcomes relevant to the objective of pharmacovigilance. Third is quality cycle. The quality system shall be based on all the following activities. First is quality planning, second is quality adherence, third is quality control and assurance, fourth is quality improvement. Overall quality objective of pharmacovigilance. First is complying with the legal requirements for pharmacovigilance tasks and responsibilities, preventing harm for adverse reaction in human arising from the use of authorized medicinal products within or outside the terms of marketing authorization from occupational exposures. Third is promoting the safe and effective use of medicinal products, in particular through providing timely information and about safety of the medicinal products to the patients or healthcare professionals. Principle for the good pharmacovigilance practice with the aim of fulfilling the overall quality objectives in the following principles should guide the design of structures and process as well as conduct all of the tasks and responsibilities. The need of patient, healthcare professional and the public relation to the safety of medicines should be met. Responsibilities for the quality system within an organization. A sufficient number of competent and appropriately qualified and trained personnel shall be available for the performance of pharmacovigilance activities, which ensures the organization documents the quality system as described. Ensuring that documents describing in the quality system are the subject to the document controls. Ensuring that adequate resources are available and that training is provided. Ensuring that suitable and sufficient premises, facilities and equipments are available or not. Ensuring adequate compliance management. Ensuring adequate record management. Next is training of personnel for pharmacovigilance. Achieving the required quality of for the conduct of pharmacovigilance processes and their outcomes by an organization is initially linked with the availability of sufficient number of components and appropriately qualified and trained personnel or personnel involved in the performance pharmacovigilance activity shall receive initial and contributed training for the marketing authorization holders. The organization shall keep training plans and records for documenting, maintaining, and developing the components of personnel. The training should support continuous improvement of relevant skill and the application of scientific progress and professional development and ensure that staff members have the appropriate qualifications. There should be process in place within the organization to check that training result in the appropriate level of understanding and conduct pharmacovigilance activities for the assigned tasks. Facilities and equipment of pharmacovigilance. Achieving the required quality of the conduct of pharmacovigilance processes and their outcomes is also intricately linked with the appropriate facilities and equipment used to support the progresses. Facilities equipment should include office space, information technology systems, and electronic storage space. They should be located, designed, construction, adapted, and maintained to suit their integrated purpose in line with the quality objective of pharmacovigilance. Specific quality system procedure and processes. First is compliance management by marketing authorization holders. The continuous monitoring of pharmacovigilance data, the examination of options at risk minimization and prevention that appropriate measures are taken by the marketing authorization holder. Second is compliance management by component authorities. For the purpose of compliance management, component authorities shall establish specific quality system, procedures, and process in order to achieve all of the following objectives: ensuring the evaluation of the quality, including completeness of pharmacovigilance data submitted, ensuring the assessment of pharmacovigilance data in its processing in accordance with the legal timelines, ensuring independence in performance of pharmacovigilance activities. Next is record management. The organization shall all the records pharmacovigilance information that ensures it is handled and stored so as allow accurate reporting, interpretation, and verification of that information. A record management system shall be put in place for all documents used in pharmacovigilance. The record management system should support the management of the quality of pharmacovigilance data, including their completeness, accuracy, and integrity, timely access to all records, effective internal and external communication. Next is documentation of the quality system. All elements required and provisions related to the quality system shall be documented in a systemic and orderly manner as the form of written policies and procedures such as quality plans, quality manuals, and quality records. Next is additional quality system documentation by marketing authorization holders. Uh, in addition to the quality system documentation in accordance with the marketing authorization holders shall be documented their human resource management in the pharmacovigilance system master file. Job description definition is the duties of managerial and supervision staff. Additional quality system documentation by component authorities. In addition to the quality system documentation in accordance with the organization structure and the distribution of tasks and responsibilities shall be clear and to the extent necessarily accessible. It is recommended that the documentation of the quality system additionally includes the organizational structure and assignment of tasks, responsibilities, and authorities to all the personnel directly involved in the pharmacovigilance tasks. Critical pharmacovigilance process and business continuity. Next is monitoring of the performance and effectiveness of the pharmacovigilance system and its quality system. It contains review of the system by those responsible for management, audits, and compliance of monitoring and inspections. Next is operation of the overall pharmacovigilance responsibilities of the applicant and the marketing authorization holder. Next is responsibilities of the marketing authorization holder in relation to the qualified person responsible for pharmacovigilance. Qualification of the qualified person responsible for pharmacovigilance. The marketing authorization holder shall ensure that the quality of pharmacovigilance has acquired adequate theoretical and practical knowledge for the performance of pharmacovigilance activities. They should have the skills for the management of pharmacovigilance system as well as expertise or access to expertise in relevant areas such as medicine, pharmaceutical sciences, as well as epidemiology and biostatistics, where it has not completed basic medical training in accordance with the Article 24 of Directive 2005/36 European Commission. Role of qualified person responsible for pharmacovigilance in the Europe. The qualified person responsible for pharmacovigilance. It is appointed by the marketing authorization holder, shall be appropriately qualified, and shall be at the marketing authorization holder disposal permanently and continuously. This person is responsible for the establishment and maintenance of the marketing authorization holder pharmacovigilance system, having an overview of medicinal product safety profiles and any emerging safety concerns, having awareness of risk minimization measures, having awareness of post authorization safety studies requested by a component authorities, including the result of such studies, ensuring conduct of pharmacovigilance and submission of all pharmacovigilance related documents in accordance with the legal requirements of good pharmacovigilance practices, providing input into the preparation of regulatory action in response to emerging safety concerns, example variation, urgent safety restriction, and communications. Thank you.